Car insurance is an essential part of owning a vehicle in the United States. It protects drivers financially in case of an accident or theft, and it is required by law in most states. There are many car insurance providers in the U.S., each offering their own unique policies, pricing, and benefits. This article will delve deeper into car insurance in the U.S., its requirements, the different types of coverage available, and tips on how to choose the best car insurance provider for your needs. Chapter 1: Car Insurance Requirements in the U.S. Car insurance is required in the U.S., but the requirements vary depending on the state. All states except for New Hampshire require drivers to have liability insurance. Liability insurance covers the cost of damages to property or injuries to others in the event of an accident where the driver is at fault. Each state has its own minimum liability insurance requirements, which drivers must meet to legally operate a vehicle. For example, in California, the minimum liability insurance requirement is $15,000 for injury or death of one person, $30,000 for injury or death of multiple people, and $5,000 for property damage. It's important to note that the minimum liability insurance requirement may not be enough to cover all the costs of an accident, especially if there are multiple injuries or extensive property damage. Drivers may choose to purchase additional coverage to protect themselves financially in case of an accident. Chapter 2: Types of car insurance coverage. Aside from liability insurance, there are many other types of car insurance coverage available in the U.S. Each type of coverage offers different benefits and may be required or optional depending on the state. Collision insurance. Collision insurance covers the cost of damage to your own vehicle in the event of an accident, regardless of who is at fault. It may also cover the cost of a replacement vehicle if your car is deemed a total loss. Collision insurance is optional in most states. Comprehensive insurance. Comprehensive insurance covers the cost of damage to your vehicle that is not caused by a collision, such as theft, fire, or weather damage. It may also cover the cost of a replacement vehicle if your car is deemed a total loss. Comprehensive insurance is optional in most states. Personal injury protection, PIP. Personal injury protection, also known as PIP, covers the cost of medical expenses and lost wages for you and your passengers in the event of an accident, regardless of who is at fault. PIP is required in some states and optional in others. Uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. Uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage covers the cost of damages and injuries caused by another driver who does not have enough insurance or no insurance at all. It may also cover hit-and-run accidents. This type of coverage is required in some states and optional in others. Chapter 3: Factors that affect car insurance rates. Car insurance rates vary depending on several factors, including age. Young drivers under the age of 25 are considered high risk and may have to pay higher insurance rates. As drivers get older and gain more experience, their insurance rates may decrease. Driving record. Drivers with a history of accidents or traffic violations may have to pay higher insurance rates. On the other hand, drivers with a clean driving record may qualify for discounts. Vehicle type. The type of vehicle you drive can also affect your insurance rates. Sports cars or luxury vehicles may have higher insurance rates due to their high cost of repair or replacement. Location. Insurance rates may vary depending on where you live. Urban areas may have higher insurance rates due to the higher risk of accidents and theft. Chapter 4: How to choose a car insurance provider. When choosing a car insurance provider, it's important to